my future husband.
Please come soon.
Haven't met him yet, obviously, his future. But, alright, here we go. You make me feel like a diamond in the rough, kind of how it's supposed to be. Yeah, nothing could compare to the one heart will share. It's a beat I'll always keep. Like a princess or a queen, wearing white in a field of green. I can feel that smile wider than a 50-inch plasma screen. Because you, ooh, got me thinking about your deja vu, and I don't know. Ooh, you are a sweetheart, please come soon. Can't hear you guys. Come on, so we'll always be together until the end of never. Such a beautiful love, love, love. I'm so done trying to plan it. It's much more fun to let it be God's job up above. Cause I throw my hands up, not a care. Toss the plans made in the air. You got me started, and just so you're aware that you, got me thinking about your deja vu, and I don't know. Ooh, you are a sweetheart, please come soon. Let's break it down. You guys ready?
Woo!
Okay. Tomorrow will be so perfect, but I know this way is worth it. One look, I know you stole my breath, yet another heart to amplify my purpose. So whoever you may be, Mr. Q, you might be sweet for your riches may be. Oh, won't you please come complete, no longer defy love's gravity, just fall with me. Cause you make me complete, my missing puzzle piece. My heart's been missing a part, now you're the other half of me. Cause you, got me thinking about you, please come soon.